A couple of weeks after releasing macOS Sonoma Beta 1, today, Apple has released macOS Sonoma Beta 2 to developers for testing. And in this video, we will talk about this new beta. Hello friends and welcome back to MZ Learning. Friends, on June 5th, at WWDC 2023, Apple launched the initial beta version of macOS Sonoma. Exactly 16 days later, they released the second beta. The latest beta version is much more stable than the initial release, and has resolved several bugs, including the Launchpad issue. In Beta 1, when I opened the Launchpad, I noticed that the background appeared transparent for a few seconds, before it finally loaded. This bug used to bother me a lot, especially when I opened the Launchpad while browsing the web. But Beta 2 completely resolved this issue. If you are a registered developer, then you can download this beta through the Apple Developer Center, as well as via the software update mechanism in System Settings. If you've installed macOS Sonoma Beta 1 on your Mac, but are not a developer, you can still expect to receive a notification for the Beta 2 update in the software update. Here you have two options: Update Tonight and Update Now. If you want to know more details about this beta, click on the More Info link. Here you see the size of this beta and some basic links. But please keep in mind, this is not the actual size of this beta. If I click on Update Now button and agreed with the term and conditions of macOS Sonoma, macOS Sonoma Beta 2 will start downloading to my Mac. And here is the actual size of this beta, which is 2.2 gigabytes. The beta size may vary on some Macs, so please don't worry if your Mac shows a different size of this beta. After downloading, you may need a couple of more minutes to install this beta on your Mac. During this process, your Mac may restart a couple of times, which is normal. The entire process is automatic and requires no action on your side. The upgrade process can take 30 to 40 minutes, it depends on your hardware configuration. So be patient. After installation, you will see macOS Sonoma Beta 2 successfully installed on your Mac. So friends, this was a quick update video about macOS Sonoma Beta 2. If you're interested in learning more about macOS Sonoma, please check out our Sonoma playlist on our channel. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.